now at the fourth period, San Juan with that big second quarter after being outscored in the first at tinuloy-tuloy nila. Wamar thinking about that long free throw line jumper by Kalisaan. Matik na yan. Minute gone by in the fourth. Galiano. Baseline inbound. Sunga with a quick shot up to double figures.
Inbound.
Abadiano
Nice pass.
leads it to Mike Kalisaan. Inside incursion.
Ganda ng pag-create ni Jerry doon, no? Shot fake, then drive just to create that small window, yung angulo.
Yeah,
Si Sunga.
Wamar, no resistance whatsoever from Sarangani on 76-52. Sunga. Umikot. Tough shot. Got it in. 13 points.
Alam naman natin, no? Nagsimula ang career nitong si Paul Sanga dito sa Caloocan, lumipat ng Iloilo, then dito sa... Kaya nababaliktad ko minsan, Lars Sanga, and then Paul Sunga. Little tongue twister there. Sleet. But a strong finish at the rim by Pat Sleet. Tig isang syllable lang yun. Laging hihingan ng birth certificate itong si Jerry dahil maganda na yung pangangatawan niya nun. So, kumbaga, nagdadalawang isip or gusto siguraduhin ng liga.
Lars Sunga. Wala. JP Pural nakuha yung rebound. Mamadali si Raylan Torres. Yan. Got it back. Tignan maagaw ni Alforque Brillantes. He's been shooting the ball well. Raylan Torres. Drive, switching hands. How about that from Raylan Torres?
It's gonna be one of the best episodes.
Oh, yeah.
First time lang magsalita ni Rinwil Yambing after his infamous incident.
Right. Who was, by the way, a former San Juan Knight. That was his first team in the MPBL.
Yes. And then, ganyan, Bataan.
Dami palang Ken dito, no? Ken Villapando. Masa kay Raylan Torres. Buries the fray. 94-64.
Oy, pero yung mga sinasabi mong Ken... Sorry, dalawa lang ang naiisip ko.
Moral lays it in. Meron na, no? Christian Rios sa Valenzuela. Raylan Torres.
0 for 9 to your point. Si Paul Sanga.
JP Moral with a basket.
2022 before he went pro. But with Abarientos, only took him one season. He went pro right away. Ganun kagaling yung batang yun.
And then he was the Rookie of the Year, tama ba? Sa KBL? In his first season.
I believe so. And then, obviously, the reigning best player of the conference, right?
Pascual, the Albay Bicol native. Ken Villapando for free.
John Starks, you remember?
Anong stat line niya nun?
Okay. Game 7, NBA Finals against Houston
ano?
Rockets.
Tama,
0 for 10.
Hindi pa umulat sa basketball nun.
Yeah, I was expecting you to say that. So,
Raylan Torres, 17 points. Jordan Gatos lays it in.
no, para sa San Juan, na si Mike Kalisaan, who is also the second leading scorer.